In today's class, we are going to see how to remove Vijay from this poster and place him in some other background and match it with just 2 steps. You may think how it's possible. It is possible. First, we are not going to use any selection tools to remove the subject from the background. Remove background. You would have heard this, right? So check the last video. If you want to know about selection tools and its uses, check this video. We'll share the link in the description. I have explained about selection tools section by section in this video with examples. Don't miss it. And I did not use any selection tools to remove the background in last video. With just one click, we have removed the background. So we have used an option called Quick Access. In Quick Access, we have 2 options. One is remove background and another one is select subject. Okay, this is the right time to clear a doubt while explaining about Quick Access. In last video, it's from the Kishore official. First, thanks brother for your comment and your support. And his doubt is, let me read the comment. Good method brother, thank you. But will this apply to all photos we take, or else only portraits in which already background is blurred, so that this tool can remove it easily? Nice doubt. In Quick Access method, remove background works perfectly with all the images. But don't expect the output like how we use the selection tools and remove the background manually. I hope your doubt is clear. And everyone, kindly do comment your doubts and you can also suggest me any topics you want. So coming back to the topic, second one is we are going to see how to match the image with the background, right? So I'm not going to use any levels, brightness and contrast and saturations, etc. like that. I'm going to use only one option is color lookup. So in today's video, we are going to see 2 options. One is select subject and color lookup. So without further delay, let's start. Open Photoshop. Go to File, open the background image we need. Now go to Layer and unlock the layer. So go to File, press Place Embedded. Select the poster and place. Select the image layer and right click Rasterize Layer. Now go to Properties. There we have option called Remove Background and Select Subject. Press Select Subject option. Now we have to separate it from the background. For that, select the option called Layer Mask. You can see our background got removed. This is about Select Subject option. Let's see how to match the background and the image using Color Lookup option. Press Ctrl T, Transform option and adjust according to the background image. Add a new layer and we are going to create the shadow under the shoe and seat. Select the brush tool. Shortcut is B for brush tool. Let's select gray tone color and reduce the opacity. Paint under the legs. You can see there how I am using the brush. Let's off the layer and check where we have applied the shadow effect. Go to adjustment layer and select color lookup option. In color lookup option, I am going to use soft warming look. In color lookup option, we have more options, but I'm going to use soft warming look. You can see there the soft warming look option matches perfectly. I hope the video was useful. Thank you.